I've made my ruling. This discussion is over.
So you agree, Miss Keller, that Sergio Designs virtually resurrected Uta Keller Incorporated?
He helped. That's why I agreed all the ads and labels should read Sergio for Uta of California. Now he's trying to sabotage our fragrance.
Our fragrance.
Yes, ours, Sergio.
Meaning Sergio developed and designed the fragrance, and you were supposed to market it.
I'm aware he thinks my advertising budget for illicit is inadequate.
Didn't you also agree to manufacture a line of lingerie designed by Sergio?
That line is unacceptable. The Uta woman is bold, but she is not provocative. The line was too extroverted. Uta Keller is for the woman confident in her sensuality who chooses the quieter garments.
In what she shows to the world. But lingerie is the secret life. Who's to guess what a woman's choice of lingerie might be?
Sergio, please.
This woman is a stranger to me. But I can only wonder what is under her clothes. Maybe it's not what we see on the outside at all.
I don't speak for just any woman. No offense, darling. I only address the Uta woman, and I require my designers do the same.
So you exert considerable control over your designers.
I would be a poor chief executive if I did not.
Does that control extend to your employees' personal lives?
I fail to see the relevance of this line of questioning.
Then let me bring you up to date. This morning we amended our complaint to include a charge of sexual harassment in the workplace.
Now, wait a minute. Where did this come from? There is no proof of a sexual relationship here.
They don't need proof, dear. I admit it.
Uta, please.
The Uta woman does not apologize for her appetite.
Let's take a break, shall we?
As your employee, wasn't my client manipulated into accepting a certain arrangement?
Don't
What?
answer that.
I manipulated him into 6 months of healthy abandon.
And when he ended it, didn't you refuse to accept or market his design?
He ended it. I ended it when I realized his passion was nothing
We're
but a
terminating this
pretense
right
to further
now.
his
Thank you
career.
very
My
much.
passion could
Very
not
much.
withstand your jealousy.
Jealousy! Oh, la.
You are defined by
la.
illicit. You keep saying the bottle is too erect.
It is a fragrance for women.
The erection is a monument to women.
Yes, I'm sure it is. Thank you very much. Mr. Pictures, goodbye.
No, basta.
Your standard textbook case? Okay, I'd like that. Excuse me.
No. You think only the woman is vulnerable? When I love, it is as if my soul were drawn out of me and is lost, circling her.
Stalking her.
You are too American. Number one, who wants to always be on top. It is no fun if you can never throw back your arms and surrender. Am I right?
I can't remember.
Gwen, if a woman like you is not falling in love often, she's fighting it. Then close your eyes, please. A language without words. This is why I love working with fragrance. It is part essence, part song.
It's wonderful, illicit.
Davis here yet?
One simple rule and you choose to flaunt it here.
Uta,
No other women.
Uta, please. This is my attorney's assistant. Remember, Miss Taylor?
Oh, yes. Hello.
I think we should avoid an ex parte conversation.
Why am I smelling this?
Smell what?
Betrayal.
Uta! Uta!
Very good.
Of course, I don't know for sure, but it would explain a lot, don't you think?
I think you have an overactive imagination. Just because she may still be in love
But
with
what
you
if
doesn't
it's
mean
more
that...
than
Gwen,
that? What
please
if-
stop wasting
Are
my
you being
time.
like this because I went out with him?
I'm being like this because I'm running late. And because, if you must know, you were right.
Working with Sergio yesterday, it became fairly clear that his claim of harassment is shaky, so now I have a client who's a loose cannon with an unsubstantiated claim about to be
But
deposed.
if I'm right, then the deposition doesn't matter.
Gwen, we'll need coffee.
And that's all I could say for myself, cuz.
So you understood when you signed your contract that Miss Keller would not market every whim that crossed your mind.
Illicit is not a whim. It took years of hard work to create.
Warning.
But didn't you wait until the campaign had been launched before you complained?
The first plans had been scaled back without my knowledge. The bottle was too small.
I beg your pardon.
Oh, sorry.
And when did that happen?
I can't recall the exact date.
And you allege that suddenly, for no reason at all, Miss Keller stopped talking to you.
Well, not for no reason. Tell him about how jealous she gets.
Gwen, what's this?
Oh, come on. She knows. I know. She knows I know.
What did you tell her? I told her nothing.
Sergio, you told me the whole plan.
Let's go off the record.
What's going on here?
What did you tell her?
Nothing, I swear to you. Uta, this girl is crazy.
Come on, another woman will add spice to the story. It'll make the plan even better.
No, it's the end of the plan.
What plan?
It was her plan.
There is no plan.
You just said there was.
All right, what the hell's going on?
Nothing is going on. I'm stopping it right here. I won't participate in this charade another minute. You spoiled it, Sergio. The Utakara woman never plays the victim.
Don't tell me I'm hearing that we've all been involved in a fraud.
Not a fraud, an ad campaign.
Is this
You
true?
did tell her.
I did not tell her. Why should I tell her? It was all your idea.
I had to do something. Your expenses were bankrupting me.
I assure you, Miss Keller, his expenses will be nothing compared to the sanctions for perpetrating a fraud on the court.
That's it. I'm out of business.
I warned you.
Frank, so far the court's involvement has been minimal.
Thank you, Miss Taylor. I think Mr. Klein and I can handle this.